Alright, bro. I'll see you next week. Sounds good, man. I think we just accidentally kissed. Quick, do something manly. What the f was that? I don't know, man. Dude, what the f? That wasn't manly at all. I know, I'm f***ing sorry. Jesus Christ, Kevin. I'm sorry.
Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy. So here's my number. Call me baby. Tung 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 tung. Call me baby. Tung 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 tung. Call me baby.
What is your favorite curse word? You. Are you saying that to me?
Oh wait, what was your question?
What is your favorite curse word?
You.
I can't tell if you're saying that to me or if you were answering my question. Let me try it again.
Yes.
What is your
You.
Banana. 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 Banana.